Good morning, kindergarten. I have a helper here this morning. He's going to teach me help teach you about money. Can you say hi?
Hi.
And today you are reviewing coin names, and we've gone over this before, so it shouldn't be too hard. But I wanted to review with you because it's been a little while. And did you know that the reason that we practice counting by fives and by tens is to help us with money and with time? Two things that you will need to know for the rest of your life. So we're going to start with our poems, our coin poems. So here's the first one. Merritt's holding it up, or I am, and now he's taking it. It's a penny. Can you say penny?
Penny.
Okay, and it says, penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. I want you to pay attention to this, how the cent sign is after the number. Even grown-ups get this wrong all the time. You won't need to do this right now, but I just want you to put it in your memory for in the future. The dollar sign goes before and the cent sign comes after. So the penny should be easy because it's the only one that's a different color. So you know it's worth 1 cent. The next one is a nickel. And it's nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents. I know that. Now, this is our family bank. Whoa. And we fill it up with all the change that we find. And so I'm pouring it out to find a nickel. There we go. Thought I had one. So here's a nickel. And one thing that's hard about the nickel, I think this is the hardest one, is because it's bigger than the dime. And the dime comes next, but it's worth less. So it's tricky. So you have to think in your brain, okay, nickel is bigger than the dime, but it's worth less. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So you can think of thin, 10. It doesn't rhyme exactly, but it's pretty close. Now, the last one, I'm sure you know, is a drum roll, please. Quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Can you say 25 cents?
25
cents. 25 cents. And a lot of times my friends get quarter and nickel confused. But which one's bigger? This one's the quarter. This one's the nickel. Whoa, they almost look the same. But actually the nickel is smaller. And the quarter you can tell because it has the head of George Washington, the president, on it. Now the back of the quarters have all different because they came out with quarters that have all symbols for each of the 50 states on it. So that's one way that you can know that it's a quarter. Older quarters have this eagle on the back. You see that? Dimes, you can see right here, have a head that has short hair. And then the nickel has a man with a ponytail. He is one of our presidents. But right now, since you don't know all of the presidents, you can just say, if it's a man with a ponytail, then it's probably a nickel and it's worth 5 cents. So let's head to our IXL and let's try a few. Okay, man with short hair. Small, it's a dime. Next one. Oh, we didn't talk about the back of a dime. The back of the dime has a torch in the middle. That's what this is, but it kind of just looks like a bunch of trees. It's a torch surrounded by trees. So this is also small, little and thin, and it's worth 10. That's a dime. Okay, this is what the back of a nickel looks like. It's a big building. Okay, the back of a nickel.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And this is the front of a nickel. Remember the man with the ponytail? Because in those days, they actually wore wigs that had longer hair.
Bye-bye.
Let's do one more, and we're going to end. Oh, and this one's easy, a penny. So we will be practicing this today and tomorrow. Do your best, and God will do the rest. Love you. Bye.